Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order food on the Chipotle app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you need to go ahead and download the Chipotle mobile app on your mobile device. So go to your Apple Play Store and go ahead and grab your mobile app, Chipotle mobile app. From here we need to sign in. So create an account or sign in, and then it should say welcome back your name. Now, once you've done that, we need to go ahead and make an order. So from here, go ahead and click on the menu button, and then we can order from burritos, some tacos, salads, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on a burrito bowl. And now we need to go ahead and choose our protein or veggie. I'm going to do chicken. And now I'm going to do double and click done. And now scroll down, we need to pick rice and beans. I want to try some brown rice. And to top things off, I also want some fresh tomato salsa. And now I'm going to click on add to bag. Now we need to go ahead and check out. So one item in bag. So from here, we can have a look at our order. If we want to edit or remove it, we can inside of here. We can also add some more extras if we like. So if we want to add some chips and guacamole, we can. And we can see the bag total here. And if you've got any promo codes, put in the promo code there. Then from there, we need to click on continue to pick up. So we need to put in mobile number here. If you're doing delivery, you're going to put in your delivery address, and then it's going to be the same. So phone number here and pickup time, I'm going to do 10:10, and then we can change the location here if we like. So if it's the wrong spot, we can change it here, and then click on continue to payment. Once you're inside the payment, enter in your payment details, and then hit confirm, and then you'll be able to, for my pickup, I'll be able to just go down to my pickup location and pick up my order.